Waldorf is a luxurious hotel and resort brand of Hilton Worldwide. It's widely considered one of the most prestigious hotel brands worldwide. In 1931, Waldorf Astoria reopened in a current Park Avenue location, became the largest and tallest hotel in the world. Designed in the Art Deco style, it welcomed presidents, royals, movie stars. Cultural and historic significance is that the New York Times quotes that it's a hotel but was always offered apartments for rental. The Waldorf Astoria President's Suite was the unofficial home-away home for US President. It gained worldwide attention for its massive dinners, parties, and galas. It's a landmark in New York with much history into it. It's currently the most expensive hotel ever bought in the world. Let's compare the expected prices other residents. This is important when assessing a branded resident as it gives an idea of a value Waldorf brand name holds worldwide. Starting price in New York studio 6.6 million, one bedroom 10.7 million. Waldorf in Alhambra, Russell Khema 2 bedroom 8.4 million. In DIFC Dubai, 1 bedroom starting price 7 million. Estimated starting price at Yas is 4.5 million, giving you a space of appreciation till the handover 6 to 7 million. It is your time to grab the lowest price and highest rental returns. Branded residence in Abu Dhabi has already appreciated by 32%. If we compare Mandarin Orient being priced at 6 million and Novo at 7.4 million, whereas this is starting at 4.5 million, you have a great chance of appreciation with the lowest investment, high rental returns. If we talk about location and view, it is facing F1 track and being unobstructed view of the race, the most anticipated annual event in UAE. The other side is facing Ferrari World and F1 after race concert view with the back view facing the Green Hills and Canal View. All views are appreciated highly and serves different purpose for investors. So being at the prime location can expect 350 to 400k yearly rental, and with short-term rental it can be on high ROI. Yas Island having appreciated by 11% in 24, making second fastest growing area in Abu Dhabi after Saudi, attracting local expats and tourists worldwide. Big news, Waldorf Astoria by Aldar coming to Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. Contact me soon to be updated for this project.